Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Pidgeot. To start drawing Pidgeot, right now I am drawing a circle. This circle is for the head of Pidgeot. Moving on this side, on the right side, inside the circle, that's a lot of sides, I said a lot of sides, but anyway, I'm making it look like a Pac-Man. I am making the circle look like a Pac-Man because we're going to start drawing the beak. So from here, I'm drawing a curved line to form Pidgeot's beak. As you notice, for the top layer of Pidgeot's beak, I'm doing like a wave line. And in the middle, I'm connecting it together to create the point. And on the bottom layer, I'm giving a little space from the end of the top layer of the beak and curving it in. Now right over here, giving a little space from the top of the beak, I'm drawing a curved line from the end of the circle to the beak. From the same line that we just drew, I'm going to draw a straight line going out halfway of the circle. And after that, right over here, we're going to start drawing the eye with a slightly diagonal line for the eye. And inside the eye, we're going to draw the pupil, which is a circle. On top right here, we're going to start drawing a line diagonally down. And over here, we're going to draw another diagonal line going down too. On the first line right here, we're just going to complete the full line connecting it to the circle. And on the bottom line right here, we're just going to curve it out to the end of the circle. At the bottom of the beak right here, we're going to draw the neck of Pidgeot. To draw the neck, we're just going to draw a line slightly inwards going down. Moving at the top of the beak right here, we're going to draw a small line going up. This line is for Pidgeot's hair. It's beautiful, flowing, wonderful hair. And from here, with that small line, we're just gonna curve it out just like this, slightly a little bit, and draw a curved line going straight for the top of Pidgeot's head. And on the bottom of this line right here, we're gonna draw a straight line. Now we got the basic shape for Pidgeot's hair. We're gonna start drawing the little strands of hair. So from here, I'm drawing a line connecting it to the beak, and I'm making a straight line going out just like this. And right over here, I'm drawing another small line. And on top in the middle, I'm just making a curved line and another curved line, giving it space. At this point right here, from the circle that we just drew, I'm just extending the line to form the shape of Pidgeot's neck. I zoom out the camera position because we're going to start drawing the wing of Pidgeot. From this line right here, we're going to start drawing a curved line for the shoulder of Pidgeot. And at the top right here, we're going to draw a slightly curved line going up for the wing of Pidgeot. I'm just going to move the paper a little bit so it has a better view. Continuing that line, we're going to make the wing, just curving it up. And as you notice over here, I'm slightly curving it out. Not going up, just slightly going outwards, giving a little curve in shape of Pidgeot's wing. Did you see Pidgeot glide across the screen? That was pretty cool. I just moved Pidgeot just because it's easier to see me draw. Right now I'm drawing the shape of Pidgeot's wing. Now just pretend there's a line going through the wing of Pidgeot. We're gonna start drawing the back. Just imagine the line going straight through the wing. We're just gonna make a curved line going down like this. And And right over here towards the neck, we're gonna draw the front of the body. So we're gonna draw the belly of Pidgeot. We're going to draw the line going down, curving in, and after the line is close enough, we're going to connect it together to the back of Pidgeot. Once we're done drawing the body of Pidgeot, we're going to start drawing the feet. To draw the feet, I'm drawing a pentagon. I'm drawing a pentagon because I use it as a guide. And on this side, I'm just aligning it to the pentagon. I'm drawing a little pentagon again for the shape of the feet. To draw the left foot of Pidgeot, we're going to draw two lines giving space between each other. On the side over here, I'm just gonna draw a little point for the feet, just drawing a triangle. And each of the toes, I'm just gonna repeat the same thing, drawing a triangle. Moving on the top of the foot right here, I'm just doing random zigzag line. Once we're done drawing that foot, we're going to move on to the next foot. Right now I'm just defining the line and making two small lines going down, giving space from each other again. And on this side, I am curving the line into the body and connecting all the lines together just like this. Alright, once we're done drawing the feet, we're gonna start drawing the tail. From here, I'm drawing a diagonal line, and beneath the left foot, I'm drawing a diagonal line again. Now I'm just going to make a curved line connecting it together. Cool, now we got the basic shape of Pidgeot's tail. We're gonna start drawing the detail lines inside the tail. So starting the point from here, I'm drawing a line, and in the middle, I'm also drawing a line, and drawing one last line just like this. And at the ends of the tail, I'm just curving it out to make it have a rounded shape. Once we're done drawing the tail, we're gonna move on to the fun part, drawing the wings. It's gonna be a little bit tricky. I'm going to try my best to explain how to draw it. Starting at the end of the wing right here, I'm just following along the line that we just drew earlier. This is just the shape of the wing. And once we're over here, I'm just gonna draw a slightly curved line going down and connecting it together with a straight line across. I just drew the first curve of Pidgeot's wing. Basically what I'm doing is just drawing the letter C for all of the feathers of Pidgeot. And there should be about 10 feather strands. And as I'm going closer to the body, you'll notice that I'm drawing smaller C's. Also, as you can see, when I'm drawing the little strands of Pidgeot's wing, I'm following the line that we drew earlier. Throughout the time lapse, I just drew a curved line in the middle of the wing. This line will help us draw the second layer of Pidgeot's wing. Just like we did before, I'm using the C method to draw all of the strands of Pidgeot's feathers. I'm going to put this part into a time lapse. So just repeat the same process what you have done for the outer part of Pidgeot's wing. Once you've fully completed drawing Pidgeot's wing, we're going to start moving on to draw its flowing hair. On the bottom line that we drew before, I'm just extending it out towards the wing, and on the middle line that we drew, we're just going to draw it, extending it out, and the top we're just going to do the same, but a little different. We're going to curve it up slightly a little bit and connect it to the wing, and over here, we're just going to give a little space and curving it up too. Just like this. And just imagine a line going straight through Pidgeot's wing. We're just gonna draw a line going out like this, and in the middle line, same thing, pretending there's a line going straight through and connecting it to the bottom line. Alright, cool, we're almost done drawing Pidgeot. So right over here, we're gonna draw the second wing. At this corner over here, we're going to draw a curved line going up towards the hair. and over here we're just gonna draw another curved line. As you can see Pidgeot on the side of the screen, you can see the wing is bending. Right here I'm drawing a curved line, and at the top I'm just drawing the curved line connecting it to the bottom line. After that, moving back at the top of the wing, I'm curving a line going down towards the middle inside the wing. And giving space a little bit, I'm doing the same process, going down, curving it in. And for the last one, I'm just curving the line again. Moving across over here, at the point where the wing is starting to bend, I'm drawing another curved line going towards the middle and going down, and making another curved line going straight down to the wing. After you're done drawing the wing, we're gonna draw the back of Pidgeot. So basically, at the end of the wing right here, we're just gonna make a curved line and going in towards the tail. And once you're done drawing that, you're all done drawing Pidgeot. For the rest of the video, I'm going to put it into a time lapse showing my outlining and coloring Pidgeot.